At this stop sign thing, and or you could just get in the turn lane.
This pickup in front of me makes kind of a wide turn pulling into the parking space and actually taps this Toyota SUV that's parked right here. You can just kind of see it rocking a little bit. After I parked, I looked for damage, but there wasn't even a scratch on it, so I didn't worry about it.
Oh, whoa, a Honda Civic.
I actually didn't notice this person getting into their car in real time, which is why it kind of seems like I'm overreacting in this clip. It really did startle me when she started to pull forward. The road's also a little wet, so my ABS goes off right here. And that shuddering you'll hear in the next two clips as well. Just kind of as a reference point, that's what ABS sounds like in a Dashcam clip. So this clip is on Highway 1 in Northern California. This Toyota pulled over for us to pass. I got back up to 60, which was 5 over the speed limit. And then along came this guy who decided to pass both over the crest of this blind hill and right before a corner. I'm pulling out of an apartment complex here, and this Durango has a sign that says left turn yield to oncoming traffic. But he doesn't really do that. So this intersection is actually no longer a four-way stop. The city converted it to a traffic light several years ago. People used to run the stop sign all the time. In particular, this box truck does it. And for some reason, that same lane and that same position was always the common culprit. This Dodge on the left here was in the same position. And people just don't even slow down for it. They just piggyback off the person in front. This crash was actually on the news when it happened. These steel beams kind of shifted into the cab of the truck, but the driver was okay, if I remember correctly.
Things that I never thought were possible. And, I mean, I heard about them, I felt good about them, but it does change when you... It's too much.
Fuck, that guy's not slowing down. Holy fuck!
Yeah, it's a one-way street. Yeah.
So this FJ Cruiser had, I believe it had temporary tags, or it looked like it had just been bought for some reason. I made a comment about it in the original clip. And he was just going between traffic lights, just absolutely hammering it. In a couple cases, actually hitting the rev limiter in first gear.
This is hilarious. He's going straight up. Oh my god, he's ran a red light. That's okay, that's funny.
So this Ryder truck parking lot has a really, really wide driveway, and on the very right side there's a little yellow triangle where that electric gate comes out, and it says do not block or something like that. And I was trying to keep to the left of that. I don't know if I misinterpreted what the rules were here, but this truck, who I think is an employee, drove right at me head on, even though there was about 10 car lengths to my left that he could have used. So I'd love to hear your opinions on this one.
What are you doing? like 0 to 60. Like, I mean, for a pickup truck, it moved. But it had a fall. Dude, don't. Damn.
This one's a bit hard to see, but there's a cyclist in the bike lane up here, and I think someone turned in front of him or started to turn, and he ends up hitting the brakes and kind of doing a face plant. He was okay when we went back and checked.
What the hell?
In like November or something. I was in Sherwood with my grandma going to dinner. Wow. What the fuck was that?
These are the last couple of clips in the video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the voiceovers, please let me know. I'm kind of trying them out. They're a little bit easier to do than the captions. And also, I apologize for some of the clips being sped up. That's just to avoid copyright because of loud music. Thank you. Bye-bye.